Hello.
Hi. Inside.
So this is the inside of the Fort San Pedro. So very
The courtyard.
nice. This is the courtyard.
So many flowers.
Yeah.
Wow, my God, zombies.
In our dialect, it is called Tembi. Oh, very nice. Okay, that's the entrance. And upstairs. So very cool. Say hello to the camera.
Hello. This is the Fort San Pedro
Even
Historical
though
Park.
we're very exhausted, but this is the historical part of San Pedro. Fort San Pedro.
We have more energy again.
Oops.
We need to go there. There. Historical Park.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the Bastion Ignacio de Loyola
Loyola.
Herbal Garden. Ah, this is the garden.
So let's go.
The garden.